Hello, in today's video, I'll show you how to use the high temperature mode up to 160 degrees Celsius on your THERMOMIX TM6. Okay, so 160 degrees Celsius is a new mode that is available on THERMOMIX TM6 and 7, but wasn't available on TM5. Now, the thing is that you can't typically enable it here because if I change the temperature, it'll set it to 100. Then 105, 110, 115, 120, and then Varoma, which is about 130, and it doesn't get any higher here. But you can actually use 160, but it's locked out only to the official Cookidoo recipes so that you don't use it by an accident. It's a thing for safety, and to do it, you'll need to open a recipe that utilizes it. And there are different recipes that do it. I'll try finding one. Yeah. And there is a recipe, quick gyros with Tzatziki. That's one of them that utilizes 160. We can even find it right here. As you can see, there it is. There's high temp thing, right? So that is how you can use it. You'll need to get there. So I'll get through the few steps. I won't actually cook. I'll just get you to the step where there's high temp. Next. And then you should put a splash guard in this mode. So I'll put the splash guard on top. I'll just put it on. And then it goes to the high temp. And of course, if you wanted to use the high temp for something else, you could just open this recipe and you could just adjust the time to your own preference and select it. I won't do it now because I don't have anything in my bowl and I don't want to break it, but that's how you can do it. I'll get out of that, and that is basically it. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.